What's going on? Just charting some pre-market levels. A little late start to the day, so we're just charting where our pre-market highs and lows are. That's crazy. How was that supposed to be there, but I'll take it. Get to if we can't find a little something, something. When I look down, NQ and ES are in a little better setup, so I prefer those to RTY at the moment. They're above previous day high. RTY is not. Let me throw some music on. I'm watching those two primarily. If my Discover Weekly has anything for me. Pulled up.
You say I don't jive with you no more. You act like I done changed in the song you don't know. Cause I'm here to tell you, you better watch your tone. This time next week, you might find yourself alone. I can't stand your love.
Yes, testing its previous day high here. Things are not looking great for the upside. RTY rejecting off that previous day high and pre-market high could be something, but not yet. This is sleepy music. Q held that previous day high, but is coming up and testing the soul zone. Everything's pretty stagnant so far. Nothing too concrete. Nothing too tradable. ES has broken and lost its EMAs. Retested those. Looks pretty weak. What does NQ look like on the 15-minute? Oh, what? Oh, my charts are wrong? It didn't update again? I absolutely fucking hate this sometimes. And Q is still there. Why is ES such shit? Why is my ES chart just completely nonsense? I hate Tradebase sometimes, I truly do. Garbage software. Sad. Sad that they even try to pass this off as professional. What is this, dude? There's stuff that doesn't even... not even supposed to exist on my chart. Garbage. Alright, well if it breaks pre-market low, maybe we look for a short down. Is this up to date? It is. Alright, well at least only one of them was off, but what the hell, man. Sick of that continuing to happen. Frustrating.
If there's one thing that you should know about me, it's that I like to cruise. Don't get me wrong, cause I get busy, but that's all on you. Cause I'm just walking along this road. Sometimes I'm gliding.
Well, nothing as of yet. Interesting watching ES here. See if we can get a break below, weak close below that pre-market low, and maybe get a retest for a short. RTY is kind of rejecting off a pre-market high and the previous day high. And Q just lost previous day high and made new lows. So we have weakness pretty much across the whole market here. Now I just wait for a 5-minute close on ES below this level and then some sort of retest, and as long as everything else is looking alright, we could certainly watch that. I'm waiting for this 5-minute close because it's also a 15-minute close. If we get the 15-minute and the 5-minute close below this level, then we come up and retest, and it looks like we could have an entry. I'll look for it. But if we push up here and hold on both time frames, especially with this low right here, we didn't take it out. That would be something I'd watch. All right, we did get it. So we got the close below on both. Now we're pumping up. Let's see if we get some sort of like actionable thing here. Maybe that was it, you know, but I want to be sure. So I'm not going to try to rush into anything. At least watch how this 2-minute closes. How about my Discover Weekly this week? A lot of like real slow. Sounds funky. A lot of volume on this candle too, which is kind of why I'm watching. And we have a decent little wick on the 15 and the 5. So, yeah, I want to just kind of watch and see how things react, as opposed to try to predict it. But it looks like it could be giving us something here. The only problem is I want to base risk off the EMA, and that's a few points away from where that pre-market low is. We'll continue to watch. NQ's kind of moving up higher too, but it could retest that previous day high and reject. So we could still have valid trade here. So I need to watch see how this closes. If we show weakness, then I could be in. If we continue to move higher, then obviously avoid it. That's looking decent, right? It's not looking bad. Alright, so we'll get ready and see if we can find a little entry on this, as long as it continues to look good for us. Alright, we'll enter just below there. It's a little bit wider of a stop than I'd like, but we're gonna roll with it for now. And if it goes in my direction, I can always de-risk, but I want to take profit somewhere down there and make it worth it for us. See if we can let things run. Well, lower wick's a little concerning. Can't lie about that. I don't love that. Yeah, stop me up. Alright, well, it was quick. Quick L. $200, $220. Still doesn't look bad. I could have had a much better entry. But it was looking decent. Still could be decent. I'll re-enter if it gives me the sign. I still don't hate this. I think it could be very much so legitimate here. It might have stopped me out at the very top of that wick, which is crazy. Now we're gonna try again. I'm gonna put our stop just above that wick. Basically the exact same trade. See if we can't get it to work here, because it's kind of the setup we're looking for, but maybe not. Once again, didn't get the greatest entry, but it shouldn't matter too much if it works out, obviously. And it's working so far. Looks good. If we could just get new lows, would be excellent. and then I'll have 2 runners, and I would try to kind of just let those go and maybe hold one if we get a real nice move down to previous day low or something. But it's not looking bad. It's looking pretty decent so far. I just got wicked out by like I literally just got barely wicked out. Literally the top of that wick hit my stop. That first trade was still pretty valid. I want to let this hit my TP, then I'll set my runners to break even and just let this thing go. Hopefully it goes for us. Very close to hitting TP. There's my TP. Alright, now I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And then I'll set at least 1 TP lower. And try to get like down here maybe. Break it that low. See if we can't get some continuation. That would be very nice. It might come up and retest though. We just broke low a day, so I wouldn't be too surprised here. I'd love for it to go down though. Give me that full move. Yeah, it's not stopped me out. My runners. Alrighty, well, we are profitable by $7 on the day. It could be, nah, I don't like that 5-minute. Well, we'll continue to watch it. See what everything else looks like. And Q is kind of holding, so maybe not.
Talking, ain't nobody listening. Don't seem like anybody cares. 18-wheeler coming flying down from Denver. Fell asleep drinking at the wheel. Mama getting high, flying up to heaven. Feel her body laying in the steel. She was on the road.
That's a, yeah, I could have got a better entry on that. Was really my issue.
Mama died laying on the road. She was on the road.
This is looking really nice. I could have got a fucking re-entry. Excuse me. Excuse my language. This is looking nice. It's kind of tough. Tough to swallow. I mean, I'm totally fine. Essentially, a break even. It is a break even day, but barely got stopped out, and then it went and worked out for us. And then our runner just barely got stopped out, and then it went lower. Just sometimes it's like that.
Slipping out on the evening,
Yeah, really nice. It's a shame. Gosh darn shame.
Just you and me, oh, we're leaving. No stop, straight out of town. I'm not quite sure what I did before you came along. My days were filled with not much. Ooh, I had it wrong. Spent my time on the outside, then you pulled me in. Made me feel as though this is where I'd always be. 'Cause you're always there, even when I talk too much. And you know, when I'm running scared, I can't seem to find the words to say. All this kindness I'm not used to finding. I've got you.
That looks really nice. Looks really good.
Been out here holding on to something for so long. Us getting angry, lone wolves set out to prove them wrong. I've been crushed to the ground, kicked and shoved, pushed around, past my breaking point to find out there's more to calm down. The line that all collides like a fiery ball that burns all night. 'Cause you know I'm not
Darn. Well, it was a nice trade. I just didn't manage it super well. Could add a better entry and I wouldn't have got stopped out on this first one. And yeah, we would have been really solid. That's really it. If I got a better entry, everything would have been just fine. So yeah, a little bit of a bummer. Just barely got stopped out. Very top nicked by that. And then re-entered. And then my runners got stopped out right before it made that flush lower. 71 was my second target, so that would have hit. And then I was going to run it, try to run it down, see how far we could get it. But trade idea worked. I just didn't manage it super well, so that's on me. I have nobody else to, nothing else I can blame. I just have to do better. Or break even, so it's a lesson learned or whatever, but not much of a punishment, so it's alright. Damn, RTY had a really nice rejection off that. That's gorgeous. Really good move. Super clean. And Q's pretty choppy, still trying to hold on to that previous day high area. I might re-enter this straight up. it gives me an entry, I'll do it. I don't think it's going to. God damn! I'm kind of pissed I got stopped out of that trade, or like it could have been so good. It could have been so good. Ugh, I don't even want to watch it. It's disgusting. Seriously, entered right up in here. Could have had a little better entry, and this would have been such a nice move. Kidding me? Good lord, I don't even want to watch it. It's making me sick. He's such a huge move. Fucking A. RTY might present an opportunity, but it's so volatile. I don't know if I even like trading it.
Bought a ticket on a plane, was hoping things would be the same. Tried to turn our love around. I never looked in, lost and found. I don't know when I'll see this town or place again. Guess I'll see you now and then. Waiting so long. Hey, big city, that's another song. You took my love and you took it all. How can you be so big and yet you feel so small? How can you be so big and yet you feel so small? Another ticket, another plane.
It might have been an entry.
This one down,
My only concern is RTY did just hold that pre-market low there, and NQ is moving higher. And that doesn't necessarily look like continuation right there. Certainly could. Knowing me, is because I didn't enter it, it will drop like 100 points. Yeah, there it is. Alright, well. Life's a funny little game.
whenever it is, we'll have to do.
Do something like that, maybe. I don't know, the 15-minute doesn't look great. There's still plenty of time in it, but 5 minutes looking a little questionable. 2-minute looks really, really, really good though, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. I don't know if it's gonna get me in though. It looks like it might not. I like the volume spike on the new low and the low volume come up, weak price action. That's all looking really good. Today just might be chalk it up as break even. We had an opportunity and we might have missed it. Here comes new lows, huh? Man, alright. Well, shit. Guess not. Just keeps dropping in here. Yes, I mean. Yes, man, I just missed it, but I was in the right spot. I just didn't do it well. Frustrating. I tried to get in here, just missed the entry. Could have marketed in, but I was trying to get a limit. Nice fill. There's new lows. Blech. Could have been a huge day, and of course it's not, so I just don't do it right. But watch RTY. I think RTY could present an opportunity as well. Although it's looking a little weird itself. Truthfully, I'm probably not going to take anything else. Feels like I kind of missed it. Alright, if we get this retest at 200, I might be interested in trying it. And then I would just stop like 2 points above or something. Let's see. See if we don't get a little rejection off the 200. I don't know if I love that. What's everything else doing? Yeah, I give it a shot if it does it. I'd give it a shot. Try to take it down to pre-market low. It'd be a pretty solid risk reward. Does feel really, really, really low volume though.
caught up in temptation. Middle of the night, get intoxicated. Wake up in the morning and I'm still wasted. Do my best, I don't try at all. Second guess, yeah, I know I fall. Meaning's less, but not most of all. Less impressed when you miss my call. The good life's on the phone. Says it's alone. Mr. Good Life, what you want. 'Cause lately all my energy's tied up. I need decision to making my mind up. And I don't really know what the fuck's going on. Yes, alone. Mr. Good Life, what you want. I'll see you soon, no need.
Dang, man. It was so close to having a really solid day on ES. Just frustrating. It should have been really solid. I didn't trade very well, but I was in the right place at the right time. I just didn't do it right. Just frustrating.
Life's a journey, not a destination. I get caught up in temptation. Middle of the night, get intoxicated. Wake up in the morning and I'm still wasted. Do my best, I don't try at all. Second guess, yeah, I know I fall. Meaning's less, but not more.
This doesn't feel like it's not happening. The volume feels pretty much non-existent. It's really barely moving. So to think of getting in here and then riding it down all the way here, certainly could. I mean, it moves well when it moves, but doesn't seem to be presenting that right now. The volume seems pretty dead. Well, I think he's been disgusting today.
Impressed when you miss my call. The good life's on the phone. Says it's alone. Mr. Good Life, what you want. 'Cause lately all my energy's tied up. I need decision to making my mind up. And I don't really know what the fuck's going on. Yes, alone. Mr. Good Life, what you want. Well, coming down on my Monday, I know we're always complicated. The feeling I had on yesterday, it got me thinking I want one more mistake.
I don't know if it's on to it. ES rejecting off that pre-market low. 5 minute here looks pretty solid. 5 minute or 15 minute ES looks really solid. Might hold off and just wait and see. I mean, the 15 minute on RTY does not look nice for shorts, right? But NQ is just doing absolutely nothing. Maybe it breaks down. I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty bad price action. Yes, it's trading well. NQ's formed like the craziest bear flag off this. If we were to break out, maybe I'd watch for a retest and continuation. Here's RTY going up to try near that 200. I'll definitely watch it. That 5 minute close pretty strong actually, but also low volume. I'm watching how this reacts in here. Something gives me the feeling it's just gonna like go up and take high a day or something weird. RTY is a weird one. But if it rejects here and starts to lose, I will look to enter short and try to take down a pre-market low. I actually do like that if it does. If it starts to do it. But this is looking weird. Yeah, see, closed above. Now I don't want to take it. And I think we go higher. We'll just watch, wait and watch. I'm in no rush. Stick around for maybe another half an hour or so. We'll see. We'll see how things work. I don't have to take another trade. Like I said, I'm sitting at it, essentially break even. That does bum me out because that could have been such a nice trade. You know, looking at the right thing. You know, the trade that I did take was the one to take. Everything else was trash. NQ was shit. RTY just didn't give an entry. So I was definitely doing the right thing. The execution of the trade was not well done, which caused me to be break even instead of having a nice winning day. Not bad, but it's never fun to watch it do that without you when you were in the trade initially. Kind of a weird situation going on here. I don't really know what to make of it, but I most likely won't take another trade. Maybe NQ breaks down. I don't know. Because this looks like a bear flag to me. I'd like to see it come down to like here. Come down into this level down here. Got in here, you know, it's like 40-point move. That's pretty decent. I don't even know if I'd take it. But really, it's the only thing I'm seeing at the moment. ES could fail to hold this area, and on the 15-minute looks pretty good for a short. If it came up and retest this and fails lower. It does feel like the volume's real dead though. Things aren't moving. RTY moved really nice, but everything else is kind of stuck in the mud. Funny thing is I considered a long here when we flipped the EMAs on RTY. I've seen this just too many times. It dumps aggressively or pumps aggressively, and then it just stops and reverses and just retraces the whole fucking move. Look at this. Look at what it did last Friday. Pumped all the way up here, retraced the entire move. Look at what it did here. Dumped all morning, retraced almost the entire move. Which is what it does, apparently. I don't know. It's a weird one to watch. Here was like the only day it actually trends. Same thing here. Pumps, retraces the whole thing. Here's the same idea. Dumps, retraces the whole thing. It's a weird one. It's like the ultimate reversal futures. If you're a reversal trader, watch RTY, I guess, would be my advice. Is NQ actually on a break lower here? Kind of, but not really. I essentially want to see this happen. Excuse me? Okay. That's pretty much what I'm watching on that. Funny enough, it actually does look like it's kind of working. On the 2 minute, retested 200. RTY is, yeah, going for new high. Crazy. I guess I should have longed here. Sorry, moved 6 points. A weird one. Real weird one. NQ actually looks really solid. Really solid. Funny. Funny, funny, funny. I'm waiting for this 5 minute to close, and then if we get a retest, it's another 3 minutes. But we'll see. I could very easily imagine this being a fake out. But I would want to enter on a retest here and take it down to low a day. It'd be a nice move. But it looks like ES is breaking higher. RTY is going dumb. So I'd at least wait for this to be a clean break on the 5 minute rather than the 2 minute. See. Yes, making a little higher high here. And Q's really the only thing with this setup that I see with this bear flag and then potential move down to pre-market low, but
Whenever I look above, the world seems still lonely. Whenever I'm thinking of
maybe I'm wrong. Looks kind of like a nice play there. Got the retest and reject.
I rub my eyes to visualize the stars around my head. A mellow theme, a silky dream, the cold side of my bed. My bed. I never knew all that well. The words could build an army.
I don't love how this is about to close.
Only time will tell.
I'd want that to close weak. If it closed down here and then came up and did this retest, I'd like it a lot more.
A mile long of stallions painted red. A force of nature calling me through songs inside
Alright, there's that 5-minute close. Now I do want to enter short if it retests. I got what I wanted. I'd enter short there. I would do like a point stop or something like that. I don't know if it's not gonna give it to me. It looks like it's about to break lower. Please give me a retest and then drop to new lows. Damn, man. We'll see. It could, but it might be tricky. Might be a little tricky today. Come on. Just give me a nice trade. That's all I really want.
my mind set out to wander.
Give me an entry here, and let me take it to lows.
Streetlights like fire burning
Not gonna do it.
raging on
Not gonna do it. Oh. I guess that was the entry after all, huh?
watching as the sun becomes the twinkle.
Dang, man. I'm just barely missing these moves. They're happening. They're happening. Oh, gross, man. Why does this keep happening? Just watching shit play out and I just can't get into it. Come on, man. What are we doing? Not in Q and ES are kind of moving higher. AES is breaking higher, and Q's not looking that strong.
I've been searching every voice for that secret chord. Looking in the moment shows you so.
Man.
The source of all creation was a she, I'm sure.
Yes, give me a retest. Do it. Get me in and then drop 50 points. Talk to me, baby. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, we'll do there. We'll do a stop there. We're looking for 10 contracts at low day. And we leave a runner. Now do it for me. Be nice. Come on. Come on. Got the flag break and retest. That's what I want. So we'll let it play out. I want to see new lows. Very nice. Let's get some follow through on that. That spike down is what I want to see. I want to see new lows. I want to see new lows on ES and NQ. Drop the whole thing. Come on. And I'll put a ES is dropping. Beautiful, beautiful. Somewhere down here, right? Like 5. We're down there. Will be my next target. Or maybe I run it down to pre-market low. Who knows? Somewhere down in here. We'll just go for a big banger. NQ's looking good so far. It's looking really solid. So I want to see it take out this low though. I want to see it take out this low. It looks like it's going to. Looks really nice at the moment. Come on. You're so close. I know you want to do it. I know you want to do it. I know you want to take out that low. Getting awfully close here. Not looking too bad. If we can just drop a few more points, we are good to go. Come on. Come on. Take out the low. Nice. Beautiful. All right. We have a stop in place, and we're going to let this thing run, and hopefully it hits pre-market low. That'd be an absolute juice magoose. It'd be like 60 points. Right? Or more. 60. Yeah. But no matter what, we're winners today, so we feel good about that. What was that? 240? Gang shit. Runner might get stopped out right here, but it don't even matter, man. We got what we came for. We got the meat of the move. It's not come up and stop me out, ain't it? The dirty, dirty dog. Let me get this like right up in here. So All right, man. Solid day overall. No matter what happens here, no matter what happens from here on out, that was a solid day. That ES trade could have been a banger, but we caught a little move on NQ, you know? And we are out. All right. Obviously, I would have loved for that to run, but it's looking a little weird. Maybe it drops down further. Maybe it doesn't. Yeah, 5 minutes, looking a little odd. All right, 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss, and we are up 246 on the day. That's a decent day. That's a decent day. Almost $250 per account. Come on, man. We're at all-time highs on the account ski. You know, $40 drawdown, whatever. It looks like it's gonna keep going. It just wanted to come stop me out because it doesn't like me. It's giving me teases, but it won't give me the full shebang, you know? Crazy how it does that to me. If it gets that close, I was about to get that close on the flag on the 15-minute. Yeah, I think we do see pre-market lows. Why wouldn't we? You know, who knows? I don't, but feels like that should happen. All I know is I got enough for me. We're happy about it. We'll, oh, didn't mean to do that. Come on, man, we're moving in the right direction. Patience. Alright, I will make a little recap video of this. Talk about the 3 trades I took. Really, it was 2. I just re-entered my first trade because I got stopped out. And then I took another trade on NQ. Pretty much, it should have been 100% win rate today. So ES, my 1 loss. I just didn't get a great entry right here. And then it came up and just wicked me out by, I don't even know what, like not even a fraction of a point. I think it literally top wicked me. Yeah, by 0.04 it got me out. My stop was at 81 and went to 81.04. 0.04. Yeah. I was off by that amount, which is pretty cool. That's a really nice... Actually, this looks fucking decent here on ES. Weird stuff going on. But yeah, I got stopped out just barely, and then I re-entered, and it went down and hit my first target, and then I was going to take it down to 71 for my second target, and it stopped me out on my runners, and then went down and hit those targets, so... A little bit of a challenging day, no doubt. If I entered closer to that EMA, I could have had appropriate risk off that EMA, about 1.5, 2 points or so, and we wouldn't have gotten stopped out. So it's my fault. You know, I can't blame the market. The market does what the market does. I just have to manage my position a little better. So if I entered where I should have, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out, and this would have been a nice win. God, ES is kind of teasing me here. It's looking pretty good on the 15-minute to go to the downside. What's NQ doing? NQ looks like it's struggling as well. I guess some continuation, but I don't want to be greedy. I won't take anything, but we have a decent day on our hands, and I can't be mad about it. Happy that we got something to work here. Got a little bit of a cleaner move, but even still, it stopped out my runner by like 1 point, and then starts going down again. Tricky day. All right, I'm out of here. I'll make a recap, like I said. Look for that to be posted in about 30 minutes or so. And I will not be trading tomorrow. I have work tomorrow morning, so I can't trade tomorrow morning. But I will be back Wednesday and Thursday. And I think Friday. I'm leaving for a trip on Friday, but I believe it's in the evening. So let me check actually my time on that. I might be able to just pull it up on my phone, but I'm pretty sure my flight is in the evening, which would allow me to trade Friday morning as well. Let me just double check on that. Yes, my flight is in the evening, so I will be here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm just gonna miss tomorrow morning because I have work in the morning. So I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. Reiterate that. I'll be here for the rest of the week, and hopefully we can grind this thing up over 2K this week. We're about $240, $230 away. So if we just did another day like today, which is not one of our biggest, it's decent, but if we have another day like today, we could get there certainly. All right, that's it. That's all. Take care. Have a good day. Drink water, and I don't know, spend time with people. All right, peace. Later. Thanks for being here. Thank you. I should say that. Thank you.